How to make $2,000 per month with print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is an increasingly popular business model that allows individuals to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. These items are printed and shipped by a third-party supplier only after a sale is made. This model eliminates the need for large upfront investments and inventory management, making it accessible for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make $2,000 per month with a print-on-demand business. Step 1. Understanding the print-on-demand model. So, what exactly is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand involves partnering with a supplier to customize products under your brand. When a customer places an order, the supplier prints the design on the product and ships it directly to the customer. This model is beneficial because it reduces risk, eliminates the need for inventory, and allows for a wide range of products without significant capital investment. Now let's talk about the advantages of print on demand. First, low startup costs. There's no need to buy inventory upfront. Second, flexibility. You can experiment with different designs and products. Third, scalability. You can easily scale your business as demand grows. And lastly, automation. Many aspects of the business can be automated, including order fulfillment. Step 2. Researching the market and niche selection. Identifying profitable niches is crucial. To succeed in print on demand, you need to find a niche that has a balance between demand and competition. A niche is a specific segment of the market that caters to a particular audience. Examples of niches include pet lovers with products featuring different pets or funny pet quotes, fitness enthusiasts with gym apparel that has motivational quotes, and hobbies and interests with products related to activities like gardening, gaming, or photography. For market research, there are several tools you can use. Google Trends lets you analyze the popularity of search terms. Amazon bestsellers shows what products are selling well in various categories. Social media can help you check out trending topics and popular pages or groups. And Etsy is great for exploring top-selling items and getting design inspiration. Step 3. Creating unique and engaging designs. You don't need to be a professional designer to create appealing designs. Several tools are available for creating high-quality designs. Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop are industry-standard tools for professional designs. Canva is a user-friendly tool with templates and easy drag-and-drop functionality. GIMP is a free alternative to Photoshop with many similar features. And Placeit offers mock-up templates and design tools specifically for print on demand. Here are some design tips. Keep it simple. Simple, clean designs often resonate better with customers. Focus on trends. Stay updated on current trends and incorporate them into your designs. Know your audience. Tailor your designs to the preferences and interests of your target audience. And remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a few well-designed products than many mediocre ones. Alright, let's move on to step 4, setting up your online store. When it comes to choosing a platform, there are several e-commerce platforms that integrate seamlessly with print-on-demand services. Some popular options include, first we have Shopify. Shopify offers extensive customization options and easy integration with pod services like Printful and Printify. It's a great choice if you're looking for flexibility and control over your store. Next up is Etsy. Etsy is ideal for handmade and custom products, and it has an existing customer base that's always on the lookout for unique items. It's a solid option if your products have that special personal touch. Then there's WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that allows for customization and integration with various POD providers. If you're already familiar with WordPress, this might be the perfect fit for you. And finally, we have Redbubble and Teespring. These are marketplaces specifically for POD products. They offer less control over branding, but they do provide a built-in audience that's ready to buy. Now let's talk about setting up your store. Here are the key steps. First, choose a memorable and brandable domain name for your store. This is how customers will find you, so make it count. Second, focus on your store design. Use themes and templates to create an appealing and user-friendly storefront. Remember, first impressions matter. Third, create detailed and attractive product listings. Use high-quality images and compelling descriptions to showcase your products. This will help you stand out from the competition. And lastly, don't forget about SEO optimization. Optimize your product listings and store pages for search engines to drive organic traffic. This will help more customers find your store without you having to spend a dime on ads. Alright, so that's the lowdown on setting up your online store. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful print-on-demand business. Step 5. Partnering with print-on-demand suppliers. Choosing the right supplier is crucial. The success of your print-on-demand business heavily relies on the quality and reliability of your suppliers. Some top print-on-demand suppliers include Printful, offers a wide range of products, high-quality printing, and fast shipping. Printify, connects with multiple print providers offering competitive prices and diverse product options. Guten, known for its automation features and integration capabilities. T-Launch, specializes in apparel and accessories with competitive pricing. When evaluating suppliers, consider the following factors. Product range. Ensure they offer the types of products you want to sell. Quality order samples to check the print and product quality. Shipping. Evaluate their shipping times and costs. Integration. Check if they integrate smoothly with your e-commerce platform. Customer support. Reliable and responsive support is crucial for resolving any issues that may arise. Step 6. Marketing your print-on-demand business. Building a brand is essential for standing out in the competitive print-on-demand market. Elements of a strong brand include logo and branding. Create a professional logo and consistent branding across your store and marketing materials. Story and mission. Share your brand story and mission to connect with customers on a personal level. Social proof. Encourage reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers to build trust. Now let's talk about some digital marketing strategies. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel to provide valuable content related to your niche and drive traffic to your store. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with promotions, new product releases, and valuable content. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Paid advertising. Utilize Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and other PPC campaigns to drive targeted traffic to your store. Additionally, consider utilizing print-on-demand marketplaces. Besides your own store, listing your products on marketplaces like Redbubble, Teespring, and Zazzle can provide additional exposure and sales opportunities. Step 7. Managing and scaling your business. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for retaining customers and building a positive reputation. Tips for great customer service include prompt responses. Respond to customer inquiries and issues quickly. Clear communication. Keep customers informed about their order status and any potential delays. Handling returns and refunds. Have a clear and fair return policy and handle returns and refunds promptly. Regularly reviewing your store's performance is essential to identify areas for improvement. Key metrics to monitor include sales and revenue. Track your sales and revenue to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Conversion rate. Analyze the percentage of visitors who make a purchase. Customer acquisition cost. Calculate how much you're spending to acquire each customer. Customer lifetime value. Estimate the total revenue a customer is expected to generate over their lifetime with your brand. As your business grows, consider the following strategies to scale. Expand product range. Introduce new products and designs to attract more customers. Increase marketing efforts. Invest more in marketing to reach a larger audience. Automate processes. Use tools and software to automate repetitive tasks like order processing and customer service. Hire help. Consider hiring freelancers or employees to help with design, marketing, and customer support. In conclusion, making $2,000 per month with a print-on-demand business is achievable with the right approach and consistent effort. By understanding the print-on-demand model, choosing the right niche, creating compelling designs, setting up an efficient online store, partnering with reliable suppliers, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can build a successful and profitable business. Remember, success in print-on-demand doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. With dedication and the right strategies, you can reach your financial goals and create a thriving print-on-demand business.